I like the premise of doing a tool review, comparing two tools, and especially if they are popular tools. Um, that's a really good formula for a video. And in fact, I've done videos similar to that on this channel and on other channels where we take a bunch of different tools and we basically put them head to head. Because a lot of times when people are choosing to purchase something, they don't just want a review. They don't just want hey, I got this tool, I got this water bottle, and these are the features. They don't just want that. They want to actually see it in action, because if they just wanted features, they could just look at Amazon reviews. That would be sufficient. They'd be like, oh great, this one's rated higher, I'll just buy that one, right? But if they're actually in the researching mode, they want real life videos, real life experiences of people that actually own the thing. So not just top 10 lists. I just see this over and over again, it being a good formula. It's good to show close-ups, but it's better to, especially if you have a high definition camera, to get a further back, a nice staged area. And then when you want to show details, to in post editing, just clip into that element. Like if I had a clip and I was showing the water bottle like this, then I could just do a frame of just, let's say I wanted to show this portion of it, I could just zoom in post editing to right here.